Hi everyone, I'm Charlene from stampinwithcharlene.com. Thanks for visiting my blog. I've been an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator since 2002. That's almost 2 decades of sharing different products and projects with you, and I've loved every minute of it. I would like to invite you to subscribe to my free YouTube channel. That's a place where I will show you, just like this on video, how I make different cards and projects. Please join me there, hit subscribe, and then hit the little bell icon so you can receive an email alert whenever I place a new video. I'll place videos from time to time, but you can be sure to join me there Tuesday nights at 8 p.m. for a new video, and I'll be there live watching along with you, and we can comment and interact together, and you can ask me different questions. So once again, I'll place the link below. Please join me on YouTube. It's going to be a great place to share different projects.